how to log out Instagram on all devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can log out Instagram on all devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out Instagram on all devices, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Instagram application here. Then make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right. Then just make sure to tap the three lines option and then go to settings. Then just go to the option called security. So one way you can basically log out everybody from your account is by simply changing your password. So tap on password, change your password, and anybody who's logged into your account will get automatically logged out. The other way you can do this is by simply going to login activity and selecting a list of devices where your Instagram account is logged in, and then just going ahead and then tapping on the three dots option here and then selecting the option called logout. Once you do that, any devices who's logged into your Instagram account will get automatically logged out itself. This way you'll be able to remove or log out of Instagram on all devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.